today? It's Thursday. It's Thursday in the morning. We waited an extra day. There was just a storm down south and some heavier winds were coming through. We had a really rough ride here to where we're at, so we're trying to avoid anything over 25 knots with our little boat here. It's kind of dirty. I'm not going to show you. But here is our bedroom. It's really dirty. The backpack's electric motor we bought. This is our kitchen. Yeah, we got dishes in the dishers. There's our charging station. Got all our electronics running off of our thing. Gas alarm, our radio. There's Zena's bed. She's got a whole big side. She's probably got more room to sleep than I do. There's Zena now, chilling. Of course, Steffi, steering. Going 240 degrees, or trying to. We had to break our massive wind turbine because it kept rounding us up. Yeah. And Westerly, you can see the waves kind of coming from behind. And then another set is coming off that peak there. That's where our jib broke over by that church. Not sure if you could see it on the camera. A nice day to set off into the great beyond. I think we have 540 miles to go. Probably more, because it's not like a motorboat where you can go straight to the destination. We got to zigzag with the wind and the waves. The engine's running great. Got a new valve spring in there. Started her up. Steffi put in the valve. Yeah. I just hit it with a hammer. And it's January here. Oh, there's a big wave. Kind of see it lose sight of land there, how big they are. They bully us around quite a bit. Yeah, we'll see you guys post this up when we get to the Canary Islands.